Hey, good evening. Dan Fitzpatrick here. Before I get into Zoom video here, and I will wipe out all this stuff, I'll just explain what it is first. But we're right in the middle of our basically a promo for new members. It is a new member orientation, a series of videos that we send you every day over the next 30 days. We call it the fast track orientation. Personally, I call it the welcome mat. You could call it the red carpet. Now, only the narcissists are on the red carpet. So bottom line is you're getting a bunch of stuff for free, and this is good stuff. I'm not selling you crap at a discount. I'm giving you free stuff during your free trial, things that are going to make your trading improve. I promise you that. This is stuff that will make your trading improve. I've been doing this for over 20 years. I'd like to think I have something worthwhile to say. So I want you to check that out at the end of the video. Just go sign up. Also, along those same lines, we're having a webinar tonight at 8 Eastern, 5 Pacific to talk to our new members, to give them a run through of the website and also how I trade and how Scott trades, basically how they can make money. So if you can just sign up for the free trial, you can get on that call as well. Should be about an hour or so and definitely worth your while. Okay, so Zoom video. First of all, let me get rid of this. What I had drawn here on this line was just this series of lower lows that are showing kind of increasing selling pressure, but at the same time, we're getting kind of a fairly decent support level right there. Okay, so the stock broke through that level a couple days ago on Tuesday, and then it recovered a bit, and now it's up over 4%, while the Qs are up only 0.3%. And then the cloud computing is up 2%. The software is up not even 1.5%. So what I'm saying is today, right here, right now, Zoom video is attracting buyers. Okay, so I'll get rid of this thing. And then the other box here is this trading range. So I'm going to go ahead and clean this up as well, so you can really kind of see what's happening. And I'll tell you why I'm doing this in just a sec. Okay, so the stock traded below this line here, which really marked this support, and then it quickly recovered. This is on volume. This is a big move down on volume. It broke a lot of hearts, right? And then the very next day, it recovered, didn't even test this low here. And then today, the stock actually gapped and held. In fact, for those of you who are close observers, the low of the day was the gap, was the opening. 238.15 is where it opened. The low, 238.15. So this is a stock that's running higher. This looks really, really good. And what I was telling our members today was, I'm going to get rid of this too. What I was telling our members today was, you can buy the stock right here, but how much, when the 50-day moving average is right overhead here at 249, how much of a head start are you getting by buying here under the assumption that the stock is going to run above the 50 and then keep going? You're not really getting that much of a head start on it. You're not really don't have much of a price advantage, because what can sometimes happen is the stock can run up here and you're happy, you're making 1% or 2%, and then it turns right back around because the 50-day moving average rejected it. That's where the sellers are, okay? So what I'm saying is I would suggest watching this stock. If it starts trading above 250, that's back above the 50, then you can start dipping a toe. You can maybe take a little bit of stock. But my sense of this chart is it's probably going to take it a while. probably going to take it a while to kind of grind around for a while. I don't know if it's this long, but that's just my sense. At the very least, maybe the stock runs around here. So I wouldn't be too impatient with loading the boat for Zoom, but I also wouldn't be selling the stock just because it broke down here. Sometimes the most bullish thing that a stock can do is recover from a broken pattern. So we're still kind of working on that right now. So anyway, hope you make money on this. And also, and this is important, definitely keep your stop below this level. Like if you buy this stock, fine. But if it turns around and falls to a new low, that's your signal to get out. That would be a small loss. But if you don't sell there, then where are you going to sell? Here? No, you're going to want to see the stock get back up there. But let's say it doesn't do that. Okay, instead it goes there, you don't sell. And before you know it, it's down here. And you've got a massive loss on your hands in a trade that was supposed to be just kind of a low-risk trade. Okay, so don't do that. Focus on risk management and also time your entries a little better. Okay, hope to see you tonight at 5 Pacific, 8 Eastern for our fast track orientation. Show you a lot of things about the way I trade and about Scott McGregor trades, who's another trader for us. Okay, I'll see you there.